In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front turn signal light bulb on your 2014 to 2018 Mazda 3. It's a very easy process, only takes about 5 minutes, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, that's the front turn signal bulb there. The way to access it is from underneath the car. Now, there are 3 screws over there, so you can either use a wrench or a Phillips head screwdriver to get them off. So that's the first one. We'll get it off there. Make sure you don't lose it. Now there's 2 more over there. Let's get them off as well. One over there, and get them off. Now once you get those 3 screws off, you can open up the cover, and behind over there, that's where the bulbs are. The gray one, that's the one for the front turn signal, right there with the big wire. Twist it left and out it comes. In order to get the bulb off, all you have to do is grab the bulb holder and then grab the bulb with your other hand and wiggle it out. It may take a few seconds, but it will come right out. Now the replacement bulb size is T20 or 7443. Again, T as in Tom, T20 or 7443 or 7440. Either one of them works. So get the new bulb, push it in the bulb holder there. Now that's the slot. Let's get the bulb holder inside it. Make sure it's sitting flush like that. Right? Now twist it right and it's locked in place. That's it. Now let's not forget to put those screws back on. So when you're putting the screws back on, just be sure that you're actually aligning the screws with the clip that's in the bumper, right? Or you'll be just spinning the screw over there for like 20 seconds without doing anything. Right there. See what I mean? You may have to flex the clip or the cover a little bit to get them both to align. And then we can just hand tighten them first. That was the second one. And now that's the third one. And now we can go ahead and grab the screwdriver and tighten them up. We don't have to go crazy tight with this. Just make sure they don't come off. So 1, 2, and 3.